This is a Roco HO scale model of the Deutsche Bundesbahn BR116 in Era 4 livery. It's an archaic loco with Buckley drive, so the gearbox is mounted on this side, and from the other side you just see the spoked wheels. On the model it has a centrally mounted motor driving the 4 main axles. So it's a nice mechanism. Let's just get it rolling. So the model has been fully updated with LED head and tail lights, and also with factory fitted sound for the first time, and they've used 2 speakers, one at each end, and a Zemo sound chip. So you've also got other features like cabin lights there, and the engine room lights, which I'll show more in the dark. So if we put the sound on, 24 functions. I think the whistles use compressed air, so they sound like steam whistles. You see them there on the far side of the cab. What we got? Let's have a listen to the sound. Bit of squeal there.
Bitte einsteigen und Türen schließen. Vorsicht bei der Abfahrt.
And there's plenty of operating sounds as well. It's a handbrake operation there, and we'll shut down now. So I've turned the lights out of the room. I've also turned the loco around. As you can see here, the opposite side wheels are just standard spoke wheels. The drive is on the other side. On the real thing, that is. You've got LED headlights and tail lights. You've got cabin light there. And engine room lights. If I come up to the other end here, got the cabin light at the other end.